Hello, crafty people. I've been waiting for this package for more than 2 years. I think I ordered this in March 23. We are now August of 25, and it finally dropped at my doorstep. I'm so excited, even though this is going to be some outdated tech, but still kind of excited to have it in my hands and do some stuff with it. So let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. What's this? Okay, it's a little postcard from the Forbidden City in China, I guess. Thank you for helping realize a dream. May the miniatures printed by this device help to bring more joy to you. TinyMaker team. Okay, it's not handwritten, but it's a nice gesture. Put that aside. Uh, take this out. Just put this aside. We'll see what's in the little box a little bit later. Okay, it's a really nice pouch, carrying case. It's a really cool quality. Like the drawings on it. Open source hardware. TinyMaker. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, we get a little scraper with some extra blades. That's nice. And then this is what I really like about the packaging of TinyMaker. I saw it on with other creators already who received it. It's really cool packaging with little pellets under it, and the straps and the plastics. Really cool design. Some packaging foam. Oh, there's something in here. What's this? It's like, okay, it's a resin dispenser bottle. I guess there are two, so put some resin in it, then you can easily dispense it into the machine, I guess, because it's so small. And then we got a little tray with some dividers and some straps. Apparently, that's probably to put the machine on it. Oh, okay, and we have some stuff here too. An SD card. That's 128 megabytes. Yep. And I guess spare motherboard. Okay, main circuit board. Okay, I wonder if we still need to put this into the machine itself or not. Okay, before I open this little printer box, let's see what's in the smaller box here on the side. Okay, that's the wash and cure station, I guess. Yeah, oh man, that's really small. So there's a little bin to put the IPA in, and that's a little compartment with UV LEDs, I guess. Oh, that's really small. I don't have really big hands, so that fits in my hand, that IPA bin. So that's pretty cool and really small. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but yeah, really cool. And I guess some stickers to put on the buttons. Okay, so I need to get some scissors to get those open. Okay, got my scissors. Let's open this up. Too bad I didn't print a small forklift, because that would be cool. Picking these little pellets with the forklift. Let's get this aside. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, slide the box off. Really like the artwork on the box too. They put some work in it. Really nice. Okay, and here it is. The smallest resin printer available. To really small, fits in the palm of my hand, so it's really small. Has some weight to it for being so small. I guess it's with all the metal parts in it. Yeah, really cool. So again, some stickers to put on the buttons, and probably some explanation on the website. Power cable, USB-C, some hex keys, and that's about it. Let's take it out of the bag and see what's inside. Because I saw that the build plate is loose in a packaging in there. You can see it. Look at this, really nice. Oh, it says Kickstarter special TinyMaker has come to life because of you. Really nice touch. Really cool. Take this plastic off here. Casing. Okay, so it's screwed on here. Guess we have to screw it all the way out of there. Thought I was able to slide them off, but apparently we need to screw them off. Okay. That's probably LCD. I don't think it's going to have a very high resolution. It's already, pretty outdated hardware. But the thing is, if it breaks, it's open source, so I should be able to source the parts easily and replace them. And actually, there's a motherboard in there, so the one in the box is probably a spare one. So that's cool too. Let's take a look at the vat. Okay, has a nice lid on it, so you can store some resin in there for a little while. Don't keep it in too long. And the build plate. Let's open this up. If I can open it up easily. No, I will need some scissors for this. Okay, this is the build plate. It's really machined from metal. Don't know what this is. It's like a really small defect or some sort. Let's focus. But you can see the prints you will be able to print on these are really small, so like miniatures or little keycaps. Yeah, let's try and print some stuff tomorrow because it's already late. Really impressed with the build quality for sure, for the price and the more than 2 year wait. So yeah, this is my TinyMaker, and I will have some fun with this.